So let's practice your business English skills. First thing you want to do is start with a positive greeting, using an appropriate and warm salutations based on the time of day or context. So here are some examples, and make sure to repeat after me. Good morning, it's a pleasure to meet you. Good morning, it's a pleasure to meet you. Hello, how are you doing today? Hello, how are you doing today? Hi, I hope you're having a good day. Hi, I hope you're having a good day. Once you've done that, it's time to state your name clearly. In formal business English settings, it's best to introduce yourself with your first name and last, especially if you're meeting someone for the first time. So let's practice, and remember to repeat after me. Hello, my name is your name. Hello, my name is your name. Hi, my name is full name. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm full name. It's nice to make your acquaintance. Once you've done that, it's time to mention your role within the organization by briefly explaining your role or position in the company. This gives the person context about who you are and what you do. Now let's practice, and remember to repeat after me. I work at job title at company name. I work at job title at company name. I'm job title at company name. I'm job title at company name. I'm responsible for specific task or area of expertise here at company name. I'm responsible for specific task or area of expertise at company name. Be prepared to explain your role if necessary. If your job title is kind of confusing to people outside of your field, be ready to briefly describe what you do in simple terms. This helps avoid confusion and keeps the conversation flowing nicely. Now let's practice. I handle marketing strategies for our products. I handle marketing strategies for our products. I lead the sales team and help develop new business partnerships. I lead the sales team and help develop new business partnerships. I manage the customer service department to ensure we provide the best experience. Offer a personal connection if relevant. If appropriate, depending on the context, you can share a personal touch to make the conversation more engaging. Mention a common interest, previous experiences, or mutual connection, especially if you're in a meeting or networking with a new person in a more informal setting. Now let's practice. I've heard a lot about your work in Pacific area. I'm really excited to finally meet you. I've heard a lot about your work in Pacific area. I'm really excited to meet you. I recently attended the industry conference and was looking forward to meeting like-minded professionals. I recently attended the industry conference and I was looking forward to meeting like-minded professionals. I have been at the company for X. I've had the pleasure of working on several interesting projects. I've been with the company for X years and I've had the pleasure of working on several interesting projects. Use their name and acknowledge them. In business conversations, it's important to acknowledge others, so make sure to mention their name when possible. It creates a more personal connection. Now let's practice. It's great to meet you. Their name. It's great to meet you. Their name. I'm looking forward to working together. Their name. I'm looking forward to working together. Their name. Thanks for taking the time to meet. Their name. Thanks for taking the time to meet. Their name. End with a positive closing statement. After you've done all of this, it's time to leave with a good impression by ending what you've been saying with an open-ended or positive statement, encouraging further conversation or collaboration in the future. Now let's practice. I'm excited to learn more about your work and how we can collaborate. I'm excited to learn more about your work and how we can collaborate. Please let me know if there's anything I can do to help. Please let me know if there's anything I can do to help. I look forward to connecting with you more. I look forward to connecting with you more. Now here is an example introduction. Good morning. My name is your name. I'm the job title at company. I work on brief descriptions of your responsibilities or areas of expertise. It's a pleasure to meet you. Their name. I'm looking forward to collaborating.